Okay, I want to say hi again everybody, welcome to another Blender video. In this video I'm going to show you a very cool add-on. I think it's cool depending on what you want to do for Blender, and I'm going to explain my reason for making this video too. Now you know me, I'm more into 2D art. I love to create 2D art and animation, but I also do love 3D, and I do like using 3D to help me figure out some perspective sometimes and things like that. Okay, I like 3D, but I focus on 2D mainly. Anyway, yeah, let's talk about this add-on. Please excuse me for those interrupting advertisements in the corner there. Yeah, basically the add-on, let me just show you it first of all. It's a thing called randogird. Okay, randogird. What happens basically, if I just start a new project, I think, to be sure. Basically, when you go to this thing, randogird, creates like a random grid of pipes. Okay, pipes basically. I want to make this a fairly straightforward straightforward video. Okay, showing this. So you got like a lot of settings and things you can change here to work like how dense you want it, or like how detailed it's going to be, or how simple. But what you do is once you've set your settings here, you can create however many of these you want to. But let's create one now. So I've got my settings set. I'm going to press create random grid lines, and look what happens straight away. It brings this object. It's a single object. I'm just going to click away and show you. As you can see, it's a very complex mess, like a load of pipes, basically a load of pipes. Okay, now you may not want to have this many pipes in your scene, okay, but sometimes it's good for creating pipes. Okay, now this is not the reason I'm making this video about this. First, let me tell you how to get this first of all, and then after that I'm going to tell you something else about this. Okay. First of all, I'm just going to also turn down so I'm going to play with some parameters here, just changing the parameters just to show you some other variations of what you can get. So let me make another one. Bang! I've just changed the parameters. You can see it's a bit less dense now and stuff like that. Okay, I want to make even more less. Let's make even less lines. Just a few lines there. Create another one. I've created a couple there actually. Hold on. Okay, look at that. So we've got a very simplified one here. Okay. Now with these lines, you can see how cool that's looking. Okay, and that's what I'm calling them. I'm calling them lines. I'm not going to call them pipes. And let me just show you how to get this. Okay, so I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go to Edit. I'm on Windows, by the way. I'm going to go to Edit, Preferences, and to install it. Once you've got it. Oh, sorry, first of all I should take you to the actual website. Once you get the file from the website, okay, from github.com here, you can see the link. I'm going to put this link in the description, okay, to this video. What you want to do is you want to go to clone or download, click on that and go to download zip, okay. Save that to wherever you want it, wherever you want to, okay. Just follow the link in the description. Once you've done that, okay, go to edit, in Blender, go to edit, preferences, add-ons, okay, then install. Then once you've done that, search for it on your computer, and it's just a case of simply installing it. I saved mine to the E drive, and there you can see randogird master zip. You double click that. When you do it, okay, I don't need to do it because I don't have to. I'll just show you quickly. You see it's already installed is what I'm trying to say, but you need to go to the settings, make sure you check that box, okay, make sure it's checked, the tick box, so make sure it's checked, okay, and then you'll have it. But let me just tell you my reason just really quickly for getting this, okay, or liking this tool. Well, like I said, I'm into 2D art, mainly 2D art and animation, but sometimes it's very hard sometimes to work with perspective or have like fresh ideas even in your mind to see things a certain way. I think a thing like this would be very, very useful. You may want to add a plane in, for example, like for a ground. Go to add mesh plane, just size it up a little bit, you see, and you may want to like go into a different view too. Plus you can move this whole object around. You may want to go into a different view, like another like wireframe mode or something like that. Okay, it's up to you the setting you really want to have. But just looking at this, okay, now I've got a really simple one here, but I can look at these grid lines and I can imagine all kinds of detail. I really can. Look, if I just add another one quickly, bring these random grids in, you know, and the way it does. See, I've just got a couple here mixed up. I can even turn that and play with those parameters if I want to, you know. But I'm just saying, like, with a thing like this, I think what you could do, okay, rather than just see this as a 3D set of pipes, you know, that's just simple thinking, I think, which has no use to it. You may want to be artistic and stuff, but to me, I don't think that's the thing. And I don't know if the person who made this, and well done to the person, thank you very much. And I also want to say thank you to Ducky3D, okay, if he's watching, because Ducky3D has a fantastic channel showing lots and lots of Blender add-ons and stuff, and this is where I learned of this. Okay, he's posted a video, and this is how I found out about this. But it seems to me that some people just see this as a thing for making a set of pipes. Now, I don't. I see this as a rough set up thing you can use for boosting your imagination for certain artistic creation. You could take a screenshot of this. You could take a screenshot, okay, simply, which I can't conveniently do here without stopping the video, sadly. But just bring the image, take a screenshot of this or save an image out, okay, from this. Bring the image into your art software, okay, if you're a digital artist like I am, and just draw or paint on top of that and use this as a guideline. All you need to do is turn down the opacity or make it like really faint so you can just about see the lines, and use them as guides, you know, and just try and work your imagination. You can imagine hallways, buildings, interior, exterior scenes. Look, I can imagine this right here now. You can imagine drawing things. You could turn any of these things into anything. You could add staircases, doors, windows, steps. You can even bring 3D models and stuff into this to give you some more ideas, or bring in even just things like a simple cube or something right here, see, and have to resize it and stuff, and you might get some more ideas, you know. So that's what I see this for. I see this as very, very useful for helping you for your art ideas. I'm not going to go too crazy here. I'm really sorry I can't really take a screenshot because I'm using the screen capture here, and I'm just making this a quick video. But that's I may make another video showing you me using this and drawing over it and creating art. You could put all kinds of little people in there, signs, buildings, vehicles, whatever, and make a whole city scene or any kind of scene. Even work any kind of futuristic scene or anything from this kind of setup. So I think it's a cool tool. It's not just a thing for making a load of pipes, because that's what it seems like people seem to be taking this for, just a thing for making a load of pipes. Now I don't think that's, I don't know for sure, but I don't know if the person who made this actually knows or not what they created when they did this, but I don't imagine that that was the only use intended, just to create a load of pipes, you know, in a rendered view or whatever view, you know. So I'm going to really stop this video because the video is going to cut out now. It's like under 10 minutes. It gives you in this software, as I on this screen recorder I've got. But this is a really, really quick video. I'm just showing you this, okay? Yeah, so take care, guys, and yeah, let's see what you can create with this. It's definitely something that helps boost the imagination, and I've made another similar type grid thing which you can also download. Check out my other videos for that, okay? Thanks, guys, for watching.